Hi, my name is Tom from Mark My Words, and today I wanted to invite you to join our webinar, during which we will be talking about modern project management tools like BigPicture, located or embedded in Jira environment, in Atlassian environment, and comparing them to old legacy tools, as we like to call them, like Microsoft Project, explaining why we think that this new approach that BigPicture is promoting in the project management world is better. Of course, we will be talking not only about advantages and disadvantages, because we want you to have all the important information to make the smart decision, but we will also have a sneak peek at the tool itself, meaning BigPicture, and I will personally show you all the most juicy, most important, most fascinating functionalities of the tool, so that you are aware of potentially what you will be stepping into. We will also give you some guidelines regarding the successful implementation based on our more than 5-year-long experience so far working with the companies all around the world with different industries. So I'm pretty sure that that is going to be a blast. The webinar is going to be happening in the middle of December, the 15th. So all the details regarding the webinar you will find in the description right below. There will be dates, there will be times, and there will also be a link allowing you to enlist for the webinar. If you will miss the webinar, or if you're watching this video after that date, do not worry at all. Definitely the video from the webinar, the recording, is present on our channel by now, and you will be able also to find it in the description. So I hope we will see you there, or I hope you will get to that recording of the webinar and watch it, because I can promise you that it will be worth your time. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.